May mga pagkakataon na nalulungkot ako sa takbo ng buhay ko. Alam mo yung feeling na hindi pa siya tapos, pero ang tagal niyang magsimula. Parang walang ganap, walang something significant. At the age of 28, I expect my life to be exciting na eh. Career, maybe a romantic partner na ready nang mag-settle down, my own investment, bahay, kotse. Pero as of the moment, lahat ng yan, wala. Nakakalungkot kasi nakikita ko yung mga kasabayan ko, may mga milestones na sila in life. I feel left behind. I feel insignificant. Ako lang ba yung ganito? Nalulungkot di dahil heartbroken, nalulungkot di dahil may mabagal na career, nalulungkot di dahil sa nawalang investment, kundi nalulungkot kasi stagnant yung life. I feel so down. Pero wala naman akong magawa. How do you overcome that kind of sadness? My love, there's a lot of ways you can try to overcome sadness itself. Kumbaga, andyan yung lilibangin mo yung sarili mo, you trying exciting and new things, being adventurous, giving yourself yung pampahappy na food, ganyan, manood na mga film that can make you laugh to counter yung emotion. Pero yung i-address yung source ng sadness mo, my love, this is something that you can do something about as well. The reason why nalulungkot tayo sa mga buhay natin is because minamagnify natin yung mga bagay na wala sa atin. Hindi natin napapansin yung mga bagay na meron tayo. Appreciating something is different from mainly just papansinin mo lang na nag-i-exist siya. Kapag sinabi kong pansinin mo, it's when you acknowledge its presence in your life. But when I tell you that you have to appreciate the things you have, this is when you do something to shed a light dun sa mga bagay that's going right in your life. Isa-isahin natin. Yung love life mo, sabi mo, stagnant siya kasi at the age of 28, you expect yourself to be in a long-term kind of relationship, almost settling down. My love, maraming mga kinakasal ngayon that's having a problem with their lives because hindi nila na-think through yung pagpapakasal itself. I mean, they love each other. There's no question about it. Pero in this life, in order for you to succeed, in order for the marriage to stay stronger, in order for you to raise a family in a very decent kind of life, you need to be stable first eh. At dun sila nagsastruggle. Kasi alam naman natin na kadalasan ang nagiging problema na mag-asawa, whether we agree or not, is because of financial reasons. O diba? Isang malaking conflict yan eh. Kumbaga kapag kinakapos, nagiinit yung ulo ng isa't isa, ang nagagawa nila ay tignan na lang yung pagkukulang ng isa't isa. So, kung hindi ka pa stable enough, huwag ka munang humiling ng isang romantic relationship na almost mag-end up na sa settling down. Kasi ang pagpapakasal naman, my love, I'm not saying na sobrang dali lang yan, pero parang gano'n na nga, 'di ba? Ang dali lang naman mag-propose, ang dali lang naman magsabi ng will you marry me if you're not aiming for the grand kind of wedding. Kahit papaano naman mairaraos mo yung wedding na yan, but if you are not prepared sa buhay ng isang pamilyado, that's when you'll struggle. So I think it's a good thing na hindi ka pa married as of the moment, na hindi ka pa nandun sa level ng magkakaroon ng pamilya kasi you are not yet stable. Now, ano yung isa mo? Career. Kasi feeling mo yung career mo is not something na pang long lasting mo na, pang bonggahan mo na. My love, people sometimes do spend 20 years sa mga profesyon nila, industriya nila before sila makaakyat. Kasi maybe because you are looking into your work as a cash cow. Though, maintindihan ko naman yan eh. Kumbaga, it's a practical choice na nagsistick ka sa trabaho mo because it pays more. Pero if you are looking for a career talaga, something that you can be proud of, alam mo naman kung saan mo yan pwedeng hanapin. Sa isang trabahong you are passionate about. So maybe, my love, if you are not really happy with the current work that you have, maybe at the age of 28 now, you can look for something na interested ka talagang gawin, passionate ka about, maybe pursue that path, and things can be better for you. Kasi sa buhay naman natin, kumbaga, pwede naman tayong magpalipat-lipat ng trabaho on our own will eh. As long as pasok yung characteristics natin, yung skills natin, as long as masipag tayo maghanap ng trabaho na ipapalit sa mga gusto nating iwanan, carry naman eh. Possible naman, my love. Pero kung magre-reklamo ka and you are not really doing anything about it, kumbaga, reklamo ka lang ng reklamo pero hindi ka naman gumagawa para umusad yung career mo o magkaroon ka ng ibang career, again, my love, it's you not appreciating what you already have. Not to mention yung the usual na rebuttal ng mga tao sa ganyan yung problema na buti ka nga may trabaho eh. Buti ka nga may sinasahod eh. Isa-set aside na nga natin yung obvious na rebuttal na yon. All I'm saying is try to find a career, a work that actually doesn't feel like a work for you because you are passionate about it. This is the age where and when you start to explore. Kasi kaya mo naman, my love. Meron ka ng experience to back you up. So, try mo nang mag-explore para makapag-land ka sa isang profession, sa isang work na alam mong magsha-shine ka kasi this time around, gusto mo na yung ginagawa mo. Hindi ka lang basta-basta magaling doon. Gusto mo na yung ginagawa mo. And the rest of your worries will follow through. Yung investment, yung house, yung car, my love, magfa-follow through yan. Basta magsimula ka somewhere. At siguro wag mong i-cloud yung sarili mo ng mga bagay na hindi nag-exist sa buhay mo. Maybe kaya ka na overwhelm, kaya nakakaramdam ka ng sadness, ng konting panic, ng, alam mo yun, ng anxiety. It's because in-overwhelm mo yung sarili mo of the things that you do not have. Pero yung things that you already have, nasa-set aside mo. You have a beautiful family supporting you. You have friends, my love, that you can share moments of your life with. Kung single ka, you can still go out with them. Live your life to the fullest without even worrying about someone else's feelings. There are so many things that you can be thankful for. Maybe try to magnify those in your head. To make it more literal, my love, this can work, my love. This will work. Ilagay mo sa papel all the things that you are thankful for. Gawin mo yung exercises sa sarili mo. If you are being overwhelmed with life because ang daming missing, ang daming kulang, ang daming hindi mo pa nagagawa, hindi mo pa na-achieve, write down the things that you have already achieved. Mga milestones mo in life. Na nakapunta na ako ng Palawan, check. Ganyan. Nakapagsini na ako mag-isa, check. Nakabili na ako ng TV sa bahay, nabilang ko na sila mama, check. Lagay mo yan lahat sa listahan. And then, dun sa kabila, ilagay mo yung mga bagay na hindi mo pa nagagawa. Then, tignan mo kung ilang taon ka na. Dun mo makikita, my love. You have done so many things. You have achieved so many things in life. You have already made the people around you proud countless times. all you have to do right now is give yourself a tap in the back. Life is not easy, my love. It may look like it, mukha lang siyang madali. Pero achieving those things ay hindi madali. Same way as yung mga na-achieve mo in life, yung mga milestones na nagawa mo na ngayon, hindi din yan ganun kadali ma-achieve, but you did it. O diba? Nagawa mo siya. Naging triumphant ka sa kanila. So give yourself a tap on the back. Do you wanna counter yung sadness na nararamdaman mo? Then be your number one fan. Be your number one supporter. Huwag kang umasa sa mga tao sa paligid mo to cheer you up. To cheer you on na kaya mo yan. Magagawa mo yan. No. Gawin mo muna yan sa sarili mo. Kasi even if maraming naniniwala sa'yo, kung hindi ka maniniwala sa sarili mo na in time, sabi nga nila, in God's perfect time, ma-achieve mo yun. Kung hindi ka naniniwalang kaya mo yung abutin, my love, then you'll just feel defeated every single day. Lahat ng mga moments na feeling natin hindi pa natin naaabot yung gusto nating maabot are just minor setbacks in life that we can overcome. Maybe this is life's way of telling us na nasa right path tayo. Kaya tayo binubugso ng pagsubok, ng challenges, ng distractions is because nasa tamang path tayo. All we need to do is keep on pushing. Pushing forward. So my love, you wanna cure that sadness of yours? Then tell yourself, I am proud of you. Wala ka pa man ng mga bagay na gusto mong magkaroon sa buhay mo. Ito na yung mga nagawa mo in life. So I am proud of you. My love, kapag ginawa mong ugali na maging proud sa sarili mo, dun mo masisimulan i-shine yung spotlight sa mga bagay na meron ka na. It's a practice that is quite basic. Pero people often neglect. Kasi feeling nila, napaka-conceited mo naman kung isusupport mo yung sarili mo, kung i-cheer mo yung sarili mo. That's not true. Sino pa bang sasalo sa'yo at susuporta sa'yo ng mas matindi pa kung di sarili mo lang? Naintindihan mo ko, my love? You can do it. You can do it, Leanne. You just have to believe in yourself the way others believe in you. Claro? Claro.